In the past, we've tested both Seafoam and Marvel Mystery Oil, and they did a tremendous job at cleaning up carbon deposits inside of an engine. As you know, carbon deposits can cause all sorts of performance issues, including a rough idle, poor performance in terms of fuel efficiency, and power. So, will Techron do a better job as far as cleaning up a dirty engine? Additionally, a lot of us do a pretty good job of maintaining our vehicles and our engines, whether it's a small engine or an automobile engine, in terms of keeping it clean. So, will one of these products perform better than the other two regarding the prevention of carbon buildup? We've got some testing to do for that as well. Anyway, I've been very interested in doing this video for a long time, and I've had a lot of requests for it, so let's go ahead and get this project underway. This is a safety data sheet for the Chevron Techron, and there's a little bit of information about the product, but quite a bit of it remains a mystery. The top ingredient is between 25 and 75% hydrotreated light distillates. The CAS number is provided, which is good, because if you want to know more about the hydrotreated light distillates, for example, you can look this up online and get a lot more information. The second ingredient, though, there is no CAS number. This is a trade secret, between 1 and 5%. The third ingredient is solvent naphtha. There is a CAS number between 1/2 and 1/2% weight. And then there's a couple of other ingredients to lesser amounts, and one of them's a mixture. Again, no CAS number, and a trade secret. This product claims it provides unbeatable cleaning power, whether or not your vehicle has 3,000 miles on it or 300,000 miles. So we're going to use this product in a couple of small engines. One of them's pretty worn out. That would represent more of the 300,000 mile vehicle. And we have one that's not quite as badly worn, that's pretty dirty. And so we're going to test it out as well. Techron also claims it cleans in one tankful. So when it comes to testing a product, I always listen to what you guys are saying in the comment section. There's really two things you guys want to know. Will it clean up an engine that's really dirty? And so what we're going to do to test that is to just add the recommended amount to an engine that has a lot of carbon buildup. We're going to run it for a full tank as it recommends, and then we're going to do an inspection to see what it's done. The second test is going to be rather interesting because we're going to test 3 different products and compare how it prevents carbon buildup, how it keeps an engine clean, because again, that's what this product claims to do. A lot of you guys are using Marvel Mystery Oil and Seafoam, as well as this product, to maintain your engines, to prevent the buildup in the first place. So what I want to know, and what a lot of you guys want to know, is whether or not this product is as good as Seafoam. Who knows, maybe it's better. Same thing with Marvel Mystery Oil. Which of the 3 products is the best? So to give Techron every chance to succeed, I'm going to use 1 ounce of Techron for a quart of gasoline. So the bowl in this carburetor is really dirty, so we're going to see if Techron can help clean this up some. So in order to determine of the 3 which is the best for keeping an engine from experiencing buildup, what I'm going to do is use Techron, Marvel Mystery Oil, and Seafoam individually using the same exact engine. Before the test, I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to run a tank full of Techron through it. We're going to tear the engine apart, take a good look at it. Then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to clean the engine up, run a tank full of Seafoam at the recommended amount, and same thing with Marvel Mystery Oil, and we'll see definitively which product is the best. So what do you think of Techron? I'd really like to know your opinion on this. Do you use any sort of additive in your fuel, or do you just use straight pump fuel and never bother with any sort of a fuel additive? Do you think fuel additives are snake oil, or do you think they work? I really enjoy reading the comments. I read and reply to just about every comment, and it gives me great future video ideas. So please keep those ideas coming if there's another product you want me to test that you think's better than these three. Now, during the first part of the video, I wasn't very impressed with Techron, but that engine was really dirty, and so was the carburetor bowl. And I think it probably takes more than one tank full. While the product claims it only takes one tank full, I did see some cleaning, but there was a lot more cleaning left to be done. However, if you're using these products to prevent buildup, all three of these products seem to be better than nothing as far as keeping the engine clean. So if you were to ask me which product I think did the best, it really depends. Around the piston and valves, I think Seafoam did the best. However, if you look at the cylinder head, Techron seemed to excel in that location of the engine. Marvel Mystery Oil seemed to finish somewhere in the middle. However, as I said before, something seems to be better than nothing. So if you're using one of these three products, I think you're doing better than if you use nothing. Anyway, I have a lot of fun putting these videos together. You guys keep the ideas coming, and I'll keep making the videos. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you'll like, share, and subscribe. Please take care, and I look forward to seeing you next time.